Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, I will teach about 4 useful shortcuts in your data. So stay tuned and watch till the end. I made a very simple example. I have 3 columns, class 1, class 2 and class 3 with a different name. The first shortcut key is to highlight the entire data. So place the cursor within your data and then press Control A. So it will select the whole data for me. The next shortcut key is highlight duplicate. If I want to highlight the duplicates within my selected data, so what I will do, I will press Alt H L H D. So it will highlight the duplicates for me. You can see now in my data the words, the names which are repeating, it has highlighted those names for me. The next shortcut key is freeze top row. For example, if I want to freeze this top row, then I will use the shortcut key, which is Alt W F R. So it will freeze the first row for me. If I scroll down, keep going down, you can see now the first row has been frozen. If I go back up, the next shortcut key is freeze first column. If I want to freeze this first column, which is A, so what I will do, the shortcut key is Alt W F C. So now you can see this line, the first column has been frozen for me. If I scroll towards the right hand side, you can see the first column is not moving from its place. So this is how you can use these useful shortcuts within your data. So stay tuned for more tips and tricks and subscribe on channel if you want to watch more formula and more helpful videos.